All right, guys, good morning, afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Guys, if you're feeling nervous, I'm with you. Altcoins are continuing to bleed. Many people have called the top is in for Bitcoin. And you know what? I think a lot of people are starting to believe that. And some evidence I'm seeing today shows that is a possibility. So let's just go over what I see and let you guys know how I'm allocating. I did just finish the future forecast this morning to all of our members. I really encourage you guys watch that. We're going over all the 11 charts that have predicted Bitcoin's peak in the past. So you can see exactly where we're at, how close we are to those tops, why this cycle looks different, why this is the hardest cycle you've ever traded in cryptocurrency, and what I see for altcoins coming. Bitcoin has moved down here, guys. And we are holding on to dear life to this descending support line, which we have held before in the past, scared the absolute snot out of people when we came back down here. But we are trying to also hold the ascending support line in gray here, as you can see. I'm getting concerned about the market because of a few things, technical analysis, but I shared this in our future forecast this morning. There's a link in the description. If you guys go to the first link, you guys will be able to see the front page. You just want to watch this video right here. Two things. I'm going to show you guys. It's not guessing anymore. Like my silver positions, guys, have outperformed every single altcoin position in the last 4 months. Every single one. The best thing I've done for all of us here and showed you guys is the transition to silver. And I'm going to show you guys today why silver is going to take off here. Like $50 is nothing. And I think we're going to go to higher levels very quickly. I need to let you guys know about that because I'm going to prove to you today, which I bet you guys you will not find anyone showing you on YouTube here. I can prove to you that the money rotation is happening out of the cryptocurrency and out of the stock market and going into silver because I can show you and prove to you that those two industries, cryptocurrency and SPY, they are both bleeding to the appreciation curve of gold and silver right now. Guys, I'm Travis. I've got 114,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I can see this, and I have been selling my cryptocurrency to buy silver, and I'm doing a whole lot better over there than in crypto. So do you think a small fry like me, if I'm seeing that, you don't think other people are going to be doing that as well coming up here? I think that might be some of the reasons why the altcoin market's bleeding, okay? I'm going to show that to you guys. I need to prepare you for something else. I had a very profound, what I believe was a prophetic dream about a huge market crash coming. It's a second market crash. I'm going to go out on a limb here. I know I might get chewed up in the comments. I don't believe what we just saw was the biggest crash that's coming. I believe there's another crash coming. And I'm going to put this out there again. I could be wrong about this. I feel like another big drop is coming, or we're in the making of another one before the end of the year. And my thought from this dream is it felt like it was, I'll say soon, and potentially could be in November time. Maybe November, maybe December is what I was feeling. So I'm going to talk to you guys about my plans. I've completely brought my portfolio down to very minimal coins that I believe are going to be strong holds. Because when we look at others.d, guys, if you are holding anything other than, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, XLM when it ripped, your portfolio has been decimated this cycle. So what I do is I'm actually going to show you guys how much of my portfolio holding gold and silver compared to my crypto holdings, and we'll go over that. And I want to just be really raw and candid with you guys. Nobody knows where this market's going to go. The guy who opened up a short position for like $190 million opened up another short position and then actually doubled that position last night, which tells me that he's expecting a huge market-wide flush yet again. Is that correlating to a market crash dream I had on October 15th? Maybe. I want to share that dream with you. I have also removed all of my funds from Coinbase. And I've transitioned all of my funds, like the hundreds of thousands, over to a different exchange, which I'll be talking to you guys about. I know this is a big update. This is probably one of the biggest updates. And I'll be honest, guys, I'm still navigating on where to go from here, because this market is throwing everybody for a spin right now. The portfolio is at 1.1 million. And we obviously have seen some bleeding with the big crash in the market moving back down. And I just want to give you guys my perspective of where I think we are going. This is a 40-minute video. We've got it timed out here. I will show you every chart I have at my disposal. And I will show you guys why I've been drastically diversifying into silver and gold. because I think silver and gold are going to go on a rampage here. And I think we're going to see a downturn in global markets not too far from here. And I don't think that that dream that I had was a coincidence. So for what it's worth, guys, I think you should really watch this. I will be making more calls, but I'm hoping Bitcoin holds here. But there is some evidence that Bitcoin's top is in. My gut says that we may have one more move to the upside, and I'm going to be looking to take extreme profit here because I do believe another big crash is coming. I believe another big crash is coming, and call me crazy, but I believe that. And I think the one that we saw is going to look small on some of these coins compared to what is about to happen in the market. So I just want to let you guys know that that's where I'm at, and I will explain everything in detail of all the moves I'm making in the future forecast. And I will do multiple part 2, part 3, part 4 of buy limits I set up, what I'm allocated into, and just be completely transparent and honest with you guys. We need the Lord's wisdom right now. I have been asking the Lord, like, we need specific discernment and wisdom about how to navigate this market. This is not going to be easy coming up here till the end of the year. So I'm diligently asking the Lord for favor in this, and I will share anything I get with you guys. TradeConfident.io, first link in the description, and watch these updates. And I'll probably do a little bit of an update on the volume bubbles indicator that we released. I'm watching for these to get squeezed up here. 122 up to 125, guys. It's the largest selling volume that we have. And I can even show you guys the volume on here because we coded this in here. We've got to pass through these volume levels in the market. Sorry, I'm trying to lift this up here. My apologies. Let me go like this. There we go. We need to pass through these shorts. And we have no buying come. Do you guys see these big red bubbles? These are all institutional sells. Like, you can see them now. It's an indicator. It's in the description if you guys can grab that. We need one of these larger volume bubbles. We don't have it. There's nothing here to save the day. So I'm really looking for that to step back into the market so we can short squeeze these guys, go to one more high. And I think that's probably going to be it for this year. And then we need to reassess, what next year looks like, because I believe we are going to go into QE here pretty soon. And that actually is very bullish going into QE, but we have to see whales step in. No whales have stepped in to buy this dip yet, and we need to be watching that. So volume bubbles, guys, go to the 4-hour time frame. Go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna give you guys a little cheat code here. I'm going further than I thought. Come down here, take off the support and resistance squeezes. Come into the chart here and go 1.5. I want you to look for a high volume. Just look for high volume in the market. We need to see buyers down here. If they don't buy at this yellow line here, to the degree we saw them selling, pre-crash, the crash was called with this indicator, guys. Like, if you look at the volume, we could have called it previously. We just didn't have a release before that. So watch for volume to step in and set the indicator over here to 1.5, and you will see exactly when institutions come into this market and they start buying. There's nothing at the moment, though. So just being candid with you guys, I really hope we hold this support and we start moving back up. Watch the 4-hour time frame, set the volume multiplier to 1.5, so you're just looking at massive volume. You could go to 1.3 if you want to watch a little bit lower volume. You can see this show up here. I'm watching for a 1.5. Like, we need a buy to come into the market here for us to move back up. So that's what I'm watching. Links in the description for this indicator. We're watching it in the Telegram channel as well. The future forecast is there. You guys are going to get a discount on that. And I'll share with you guys why I transitioned everything out of Coinbase over to another exchange. All of my money is gone over there now. No, I didn't lose it, but I transferred it. So big update. Watch this, guys. Link in the description. Enjoy the coupon code that we give you guys for this, and I think it'll really bless you. All right, guys, I'll see you in the future forecast.